You've always been the one who holds it all together, the peacemaker, the harmonizer, the bridge. But this June, balance looks different. It's not about keeping the peace, it's about finding your own. Mars moves through Leo, activating your social world. You may feel drawn to reconnect, speak up, or launch something important. But with every invitation comes a question. Does this reflect who I'm becoming or who I used to be? There's beauty in loyalty, but there's also strength in letting go of roles that no longer fit. Let yourself evolve, even if others don't expect it. You don't owe anyone a version of you that you've outgrown. Jupiter in Cancer shifts your focus toward career and purpose, not just what you do, but why you do it. If something feels off, don't rush to fix it. Pause, listen to the discomfort. It might be asking for alignment, not action. Mercury and Venus bring softness to how you express yourself. You may find that people are paying closer attention to your tone, your energy, your presence. You don't need to raise your voice to be heard. Only speak with clarity and heart. Mid-month, the Mars-Uranus square may shake something loose. A sudden expense, a shift in friendship, or a moment of emotional honesty may rattle your calm. Let it. Not everything that falls apart is a loss. Some things fall away to make room for what's real. Emotionally, you may feel more tender than usual. Old feelings resurface, not to punish you, but to remind you of what still needs gentleness. You don't have to hide your softness to be strong. The Sun in Gemini inspires exploration, mentally, spiritually, even physically. Later, when it enters Cancer, your energy turns inward. You may crave quiet, clarity, solitude. Honor that. Financially, be cautious, not just with money, but with your energy. Don't give more than you can afford, even emotionally. Creatively, you shine brightest when what you create feels purposeful. Let beauty come from truth, not from pressure. By month's end, you may feel lighter, not because everything is perfect, but because you stopped stretching yourself thin just to keep the peace. This is your invitation, Libra. Redefine balance. Let your boundaries breathe. And remember, being whole is better than being agreeable. If this felt true for you, stay close. The sky is still unfolding, and you haven't seen everything yet. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And check the description. 2 special gifts are waiting for you. Until next time, keep looking to the stars.